Today we have this Toshiba Satellite L850-13P. We're gonna have to remove the hard drive because it's faulty and upgrade it to an SSD. Okay, so let's do this. First thing that I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna remove the battery. So, all right. So now we have to remove this panel here. So we have one screw here. Here's the hard drive. Let's remove it. Okay, and today we're gonna replace this with the Western Digital Blue 500 gigabytes SSD. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.